Hello everyone, let us today start chapter 3 from class 6 mathematics, playing with numbers. In this chapter we can learn the types of numbers and their properties. Introduction to types of numbers. Even numbers, odd numbers, natural numbers, whole numbers, prime numbers, composite numbers and perfect numbers. These are some kind of numbers which we are going to learn in this chapter. First one, even numbers. What actually are even numbers? Numbers which are exactly divisible by 2, leaving no remainder, are called even numbers. As you can see, when a number is divided by 2, the remainder should be 0. Then such number is called as even number. For example, 2, 4, 50, 64, etc. Next one, odd numbers. Numbers which are divided by 2 but leaves remainder or which does not exactly divided by 2 are called odd numbers. For example, 5, 99, 35, 103, etc. Which means numbers can be divided by 2 but the remainder will be left as it is. That means remainder will not be 0. Next one. Natural numbers. Numbers starting from 1 to 3 and so on which are used for counting are called natural numbers. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 so on up to infinity. That means endless numbers. Next one, whole numbers. 0 with the collection of natural numbers are called whole numbers. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on up to infinity. That means along with the natural numbers, if 0 is included, such set of numbers are called as whole numbers. Next comes prime numbers. The numbers other than 1 whose only factors are 1 and the number itself are called prime numbers. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. Is called prime number. Next one, composite numbers. Numbers having more than 2 factors are called composite numbers. For example, 4, 6, 8, 20 and 36. That means the number which has more than 2 factors. Such numbers are called as composite numbers. Here we can see a key point. 1 is neither a composite nor a prime number. That means 1 does not come under composite number nor a prime number. Perfect number. A number which sum of all its factors is equal to twice the number is called perfect number. Here we can see that if a number is said to be a perfect number, then the sum of all its factors is equal to twice of the given number is called as perfect number. For example, 6 and 20. Now, let us move on to the next section, that is factors. What actually a factor is? A factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. That means a factor is a number which is divided exactly by that number. For example, factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. That means 1, 2, 4 and 8 divide 8 exactly, leaving remainder 0. Properties of factors. 1 is a factor of every number. Every number is a factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Every factor is less than or equal to the given number, and the number of factors of the given number are finite. Now let us discuss about these factor properties. 1 is a factor of every number. That means 1 is a compulsory factor for every number because every number is divided by 1. Second point, every number is a factor of itself. As you can see the above example, 8 itself is factor of 8. That means 8 is also divisible by 8. Third one, every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. That means but all of these can divide 8, leaving no remainder. The remainder will be 0 if you divide 8 by these numbers. Next one, factor is less than or equal to the given number. That means the number is 8, factors are less than or equal to it. That means here 1, 2 and 4 and 8 are less than factors of are the less than 8. That means the factors will be less than or equal to 8. Number of factors of a given number are finite. That means as you can see here, factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. These are countable. These are not infinite. That means these are not uncountable. These are countable things. So we can say that these are finite. Now let us move on to the multiples. Multiples of a number are those which we get on multiplying the number by any number. Example, multiples of 7 are 7, 14, 21, 28, 35 and etc. That means as you can go on multiplying 7 with different numbers, you will be getting different multiples. Now let us move on to the properties of multiples. Every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to that number. Yes, as you can see here, multiples of 7 are 7, 14, 21, 28, 35 and etc. That means multiples of 7 are equal to 7 or greater than 7. Number of multiples of a given number is infinite. As you can see here, it goes on extending. If you multiply any number with 7, here as you can see the example, it is given as 7. Any number, infinite number can be multiplied by 7 and get infinite multiples. That means uncountables. Next one, every number is multiple of itself. As you can see, every number can be multiplied by 1 and get the number itself. So here 7 itself is multiple of 7. Hence we can say that every number is multiple of itself. Now let us move on to the exercise 3.1. First bit, write all the factors of the following numbers. A1, 24. Now let us find the factors which all numbers if you multiply you will get 24. First one, 24. 1 into 24. 24 is equal to 2 into 12. Next, 20 into 8. Next, 24 is equal to 4 into 6. 24 is equal to 6 into 4. Here you can see that the factors are, that is 4 into 6 and 6 into 4 are same. So now let us stop multiplying the numbers. Hence, the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. These are the finite numbers of factors of 24 because as we have learnt already, factors of a number are finite. B1, 15. 15 is equal to 1 into 15. 15 is equal to 3 into 5. 15 is equal to 5 into 3. In this problem, again we can stop multiplying because 3 into 5 and 5 into 3 are repeating. Once you get repeated numbers, you can stop counting the factors. Hence, the factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. C1. 21. 21 is equal to 1 into 21. 21 is equal to 3 into 7 and 21 is equal to 7 into 3. Hence the factors of 21 are 1, 3, 7 and 21. That means 1, 3, 7 and 21 are factors of 21. Next one, 27. 27 can be written as 1 into 27. 27 is equal to 3 into 9. 27 is equal to 9 into 3. Hence, the factors of 27 are 1, 3, 9 and 27. These are the numbers which we can divide 27. Next one, E. 12. 12 is equal to 1 into 12. 12 is equal to 2 into 6. 12 is equal to 3 into 4. 12 is equal to 4 into 3. Hence, the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Now let us move on to the next problem, 20. Let us write the factors of 20. 20 is equal to 1 into 20. 20 is equal to 2 into 10. 20 is equal to 4 into 5. 20 is equal to 5 into 4. Hence, the factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Here also same thing. These are the numbers which are used to divide 20. Now, next one is 18. 18 is equal to 1 into 18. 18 is equal to 2 into 9. 18 is equal to 3 into 6. 18 is equal to 6 into 3. Hence, the factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Now let us move on to the next one, 23. Here we can see that 23 can be multiplied only with 1. 23 is equal to 1 into 23 and 23 is equal to 23 into 1. Hence the factors of 23 are 1 and 23. According to the rule, 23 or any number, if it has only 1 and the number itself, it is called a prime number. So we can also say that 23 is a prime number. Now let us move on to the next number, 36. 36 is equal to 1 into 36. 36 is equal to 2 into 18. 36 is equal to 3 into 12. 36 is equal to 4 into 9. 36 is equal to 6 into 6. Hence, the factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. So, these are the countable factors of 36. Now, let us move on to the next bit, that is, write first 5 multiples of 5. Here, as you can see, the problem itself has mentioned the first 5 multiples. That means when you multiply first 5 natural numbers with any number, you will get first 5 multiples of that number. Solution for problem A. 5 can be multiplied with its first 5 numbers, that is natural numbers. The first 5 multiples of 5 are 5 into 1 is equal to 5, 5 into 2 is equal to 10, 5 into 3 is equal to 15, 5 into 4 is equal to 20 and 5 into 5 is equal to 25. Hence, the first 5 multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. Next problem, B. Question is 8. Solution for this problem is the first 5 multiples of 8 are. Now let us multiply 8 with 1. 8 into 1 is equal to 8. 8 into 2 is equal to 16. 8 into 3 is equal to 24. 8 into 4 is equal to 32. 8 into 5 is equal to 40. Hence, the first 5 multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32 and 40. Now let us move on to the third problem, that is C. 9. Solution, the first 5 multiples of 9 are 9 into 1 is equal to 9, 9 into 2 is equal to 18, 9 into 3 is equal to 27, 9 into 4 is equal to 36, 9 into 5 is equal to 45. Hence, the first 5 multiples of 9 are 9, 18, 27, 36 and 45. Now let us move on to the third bit, that is match the items in column 1 with the items in column 2. Let me read out column 1 first. 35, 15, 16, 20 and 25. Here in column 1 some numbers are given. As you can see, column 2 the properties are given what exactly the number is. Multiple of 8, multiple of 7, multiple of 70, factor of 30, factor of 50, factor of 20. Solutions. Now let us first choose from column 1, 35. What actually 35 is? Now look at column 2 and decide which is suitable. 35 is multiple of 7. So option B is the answer. Now second one, 15. Again check out column 2. 15 is a factor of 30. Yes, of course 15 is a factor of 30. So answer is option D. Now move on to the next one, that is 16. Now compare the column 2. 16 is multiple of 8. Of course it is a multiple of 8. So option A is the answer. Fourth one, 20. 20 is a factor of 20. As you can see here, factor of 20 is given in column 2. So option F. Now fifth one is 25 is a factor of 50. That means option. Comparing here we can see the options which say that the given questions are correct. Next one, fourth bit. Find all the multiples of 9 up to 100. That means you should multiply 9 to all the natural numbers so that you can get the result up to 100. 9 into 1 is equal to 9. 9 into 2 is equal to 18. 9 into 3 is equal to 27. 9 into 4 is equal to 36. 9 into 5 is equal to 54. 9 into 6 is equal to 54. 9 into 7 is equal to 63. 9 into 8 is equal to 72. 9 into 9 is equal to 81. 9 into 10 is equal to 90. 9 into 11 is equal to 99. Therefore, all the multiples of 9 up to 100